Yo guys, so I just woke up. It's like 2 o'clock or something, and just wanted to show you outside. Look at how amazing it is. It's snowing right now. Doesn't it look like awesome? Love the snow. My favorite. It's my favorite thing to see during winter. Reminds me of a couple years ago when I first started vlogging. I don't know. You guys probably don't remember that, but remember, if you wanted to see any of my old videos, I have them on private, but I can put them like so I can send you guys links or whatever, or send you a link to the first one or something. I don't know how to do it, but I'll figure out a way. They're not exactly the funnest vlogs, but some of them are pretty cool. Like last year when I was at Adam's house and his house started flooding. Not flooding, but like, I guess you could call it leaking, because like his toilet overflowed and then water just was pouring through his vents into his room, and he got like water damage on a lot of his stuff. It's crazy, but yeah, it was a crazy New Year's party. So if you guys want to see any of those vlogs, you know, just let me know. But yeah, it always reminds me of when I first started vlogging, even though it's been a couple years. Memories. Now it's starting to calm down a little bit, but it's still snowing. Actually, it's still snowing the same. You can't really tell on the camera. Oh, now you can. See, it's almost like the wind's starting to blow. I wonder what happened there. Huh, that wasn't there before. Anyways, yeah, the trees look awesome. I love the way that snow makes the trees look like it. Looks just amazing. Oh my god, do you see that windmill over there? Like, how it's all covered in white. Wow. Love snow. Makes everything look amazing. My trampoline, like, through the net. Oh, I love snow. Guys, so interesting story tonight. I was going to take a shower tonight, and I was like halfway through it. I was washing my hair and everything, and then started seeing red stuff just hitting the shower floor, and I was like, what is that? And I saw it like dripping down my stomach and everything, and like running down my stomach, and I was like, what is bleeding? Something's bleeding. Because, you know, you can tell when it's blood and stuff, obviously. And it was just dripping, and I was like, I just like went like this, and there's blood all over my hand and everything, and I was like, what is going on? Like, my nose apparently just started bleeding in the shower randomly. And it makes me mad when it does that, because it's never bled in the shower, but it seemed like it was bleeding a lot because, you know, water makes it seem like it's bleeding. Sorry, I thought somebody was coming in here. You know, you can, water makes blood look like there's a lot more than there is, so I was freaking out and everything, but, you know, when I get nosebleeds, they're pretty intense. For some reason, they bleed a lot. Like, they can just drip blood, like, constantly. It's like, blood. That was supposed to be blood, but, yeah. It was just nuts, so, just, felt like sharing. And, I've been kind of a, you know, gamer tonight, you know. I was playing Xbox, like, all night. It's 3 in the morning right now. let's see. I've been playing it since, I don't even remember. I'll probably say 3.5 hours. Holy crap! That's a lot. Yeah, I was playing Halo Reach. It's pretty fun. But anyways, I think I'm gonna end the vlog so I can upload the late vlog from yesterday. Yeah, sorry that the vlog was late. Like, I had to delete all the vlogs, you know, from all the whole time because I was running out of space on my computer and I couldn't like transfer them without it taking forever. I didn't even have enough room on here to transfer it to there, so I just had to delete them all. So now I just have 2 vlogs on here, starting over, you know. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna upload this one right now, and then go to sleep probably sometime. I don't know. I'm probably gonna watch the new CTFXC video and all the YouTube videos that I missed, but then I'm gonna go to sleep. So I'm Dakota, and I'm Dakota. I will see you tomorrow. Good night.